Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Zendesk for support workflows and apps, detailed guide step by step clearly. Once on the home page, locate the sign in button at the upper right corner of the screen. Click on the sign in button to access your Zendesk account. If you do not have an account, select the option to get started to create a new account. Follow the prompts to enter your email address, create a password, and finalize your account setup. After signing in, you will be directed to your Zendesk dashboard. On the dashboard, look for the admin icon, usually represented by a gear symbol. Click on the admin icon to enter the administration settings. In the admin panel, navigate to the apps section on the left sidebar. Select the option that allows you to browse or manage apps. Use the search bar to find specific support workflows related to your needs. Once you find a suitable app, click on it to view more details. Review the app description to ensure it meets your requirements. If you are satisfied, look for the install button and click on it. Follow any additional prompts to complete the installation process. After installation, head back to the admin panel. Look for the workflows section from the options available. From there, you can configure your support workflows according to your app specifications. Make sure to customize notifications and define user roles as needed. Once done, save your changes to ensure that the workflows are activated. Now, return to your dashboard to begin using Zendesk for your support workflows. Your setup is now complete, and you are ready to manage support efficiently within your app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.